Hello, my name is Errol and I'm with Legends Realty. And today I'll be showing you the property 118 Kelly Circle in Sanford, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with a 2-car garage and a fenced yard. Let's take a look. Hopefully you like it. So over here to the left, you have your kitchen. You have a pantry over there, as well as your eat-in kitchen, so you can put a table here. Stainless steel appliances. Through this door over here, you have your garage and your washer and dryer hookups. Over here to the right of the house, you have your first bathroom. I like how the shower tiles go all the way up to the ceiling. Makes it really nice. Here's your first bedroom. On this side, you have your second bedroom. We'll step over here. See your living room area. This is your master bathroom, stand-up shower, walk-in closet. Let's take a look at the backyard. And here's your screened-in patio. I'm sorry, not screened-in, your open patio with your fenced yard. These doors do open up all the way. And there you have it. This is 118 Kelly Circle.